Hey guys, so I want to talk to you about the schedule that I gave to you yesterday. I'm sorry if you can't see me on the screen. My new computer's being weird with Screencast-O-Matic. So there are three schedules, just like last year. There's junior high, there's high school A, and there's high school B. And the top one is your Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday schedule. Then the bottom three are all Wednesday. So let's focus on the top one for the moment. On the left column of each is your periods: first period, breakfast break, second, third, fourth, lunch, fifth, sixth, seventh. Start time to end time. And then the far right is the minutes of each class. That does not include the 6 minutes that the students get to switch classes. Okay, how do you know if you are in high school A or high school B? Or junior high for that matter. It depends on your second period. So if your second period is a ninth and 10th grade class, you are in high school A. And if it's a 11th and 12th grade class, you are in high school B. So that is for breakfast break during second period. The same goes for lunch. If your fifth period class is middle school, you have middle school lunch. If it's high school 9th and 10th grade, you have high school lunch A. And if it's 11th and 12th grade, you have high school lunch B. So this is that broken down. This is the junior high breakfast break student or teachers, the high school A breakfast break teachers, and the high school B. And then these ones over here have no second period. And then the same down here for lunch, junior high, high school lunch A, high school lunch B, and no fifth period. So sometimes people can have high school A breakfast break, but then lunch B. And again, that just depends on whether you have second period or what grade you teach second period and what grade you teach fifth period. And this I will send to you in this email so that you can see what's going on there. Miss Araya, I am not sure what you are yet, so we'll find that out. And just for clarity, you can have junior high breakfast break and then high school B lunch or vice versa. You can go between these three schedules depending on what your second and your fifth period is. Okay, moving down to the Wednesday schedules. This is also new. There are three Wednesday schedules. The first is for life groups, and what we've done is we've put the life groups all at the same time, and we've shortened them to 30 minutes. This was going to help because sometimes we were having some issues with teachers because their fourth period is when life groups were, or vice versa. So now no matter what grade you are, life groups are all right between fourth and fifth, or fourth and lunch. The second schedule is Wednesday split chapel. So when we have a junior high chapel separated from a high school chapel, and you can see where that lands for each group, where lunch is, and also how long those are. And finally, the last chapel is when we do Wednesday combined chapels, which we'll do on the first day of school for our assembly. This is so we all have chapel at the same time between fourth and fifth period. Okay, I hope all of that made sense. Of course, ask me if you have any questions.